question for you guys. Have you ever been on Autopia and had your vehicle run out of gas?
Your attention, please.
Their diets consist of turkey legs and churros. They stand in lines for hours and hours and hours. And I just don't know why, yeah. Watch out for the little ones. They like to latch onto you for 18 to 30 years. Yeah. Right over here, guys, we have a 500-pound tiger. They're known to jump over 20 feet, but don't worry, guys. We're 15 feet away, so just like my jokes, they'll jump right over your head. Right over your head. They all have their trunks on, yeah. Except for that one over there. Oh, you look nasty. There's a fun fact about elephants. They are known to grow up to 4 feet. Unlike us humans, who are only known to grow up to 2 feet. Just 2 feet, yeah. There's my friend Bertha. She's been in the shower for a real long time. Take notes, kid. If you take a shower for too long, you'll turn into an elephant. Right up there, guys, we have a long-necked cheetah. Yeah. Look at that family of lions taking care of that sleeping zebra. Aww. He looks dead. Tired. Dead tired. Oh. Everybody say hi to my friend Ina. Hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. Yeah, everybody say bye, Ina. Bye, Ina. Just cover your ears. I'm going to try to scare him off. Yep, scared him stiff. Look at all those blank stares. No. They said they wanted 4 chickens for you, but I said you're worth 5, so you're welcome. Looks like I've gotten you guys into some danger, so everybody get down, get down, get down.
Do you guys want to see this state here? The Astro Orbiter right here at the front of Tomorrowland? Or do you want to see it move somewhere else, move back on top of the old people mover, which will never happen because the foundation is way too weak and too damaged. Blame the rocket rods. But I thought maybe you could put it on top of the Space Mountain queue where the helipad is, if there is no real purpose for the helipad. Because just imagine how open this would all be if this was no longer here. What is your guys' solution? What would you do with it? Well, let's see. They closed the people mover in what, 94, 95?
Oh, hey, a great year.
Actually, it might have even been earlier than that. I think the sky buckets were then. It might have even closed in like 92. And it was shortly thereafter. It's when they did the big remodel. So, well, that was the big remodel in 98. So, yeah, it's sometime in the 90s. And yeah, it needs to be moved. Where do you want it moved? Like I said, on top of the people mover would be amazing. But the whole structure of the people mover got screwed up from the rocket rods. And it's all gonna get torn down and rebuilt when they redo Tomorrowland someday. So eventually they will get to a Tomorrowland remodel. But the problem is, it's at the bottom of the list. You know, whatever their plans are, that's gonna be ahead of Tomorrowland. Whether that's a Fantasyland expansion, which we all know is eventually going to happen. But again, when is all this gonna happen? And you have Marvel Land, which is already underway. So you have Galaxy's Edge is obviously first, but that's gonna open up in the next few months. Then in 2020, you have Marvel Land. Then it's supposedly the Fantasyland expansion, which is, if you just keep going, it'll probably be 2022. Does that mean 2024 is when they finally get to Tomorrowland? And the rumor is it's gonna be a complete rehaul, a complete overhaul. Is that gonna take more than 2 years? So we're still looking at 2026, if not 2028. That's so far away for something that needs something now. But I don't know. They need to fix Astro Orbiter just because it's in the way. It needs to be moved. Like I said, I want it on top of Space Mountain where the helipad is, because I don't think they actually need the helipad. what are your guys' suggestions? Leave your comments. And yeah, what do you guys want to see at Tomorrowland? Just because we're here, I know I talk about it all the time, but we're actually here finally, and I'm sitting here waiting. But yeah, we're off to space. Buzz Lightyear, where Ashley thinks I'm going to try to keep my streak alive since it's at 1 and I never win. So Ashley's going to try to break my 1-game win streak, and we'll go from there. Oh, it's been so long since we've been on here. Autopia. Oh, like always, Ashley, she's driving. She's got to pay attention. She's gonna try to make it. Is that even possible on Autopia though? No, no bamming, no whamming. Oh. And let's see if I can hit the gas and not hit somebody.
That'd be great.
Well, we've never had the front car, so I don't think oh, come on, we're putt-putting. We've never had the front car, so I don't think I can hit anybody. Like, there's nobody ahead of me to hit. Matterhorn, Matterhorn. Oh, woohoo! Are we gonna backfire like always? No. Oh, wait. I feel like we might be running out of gas. You guys know that game, the arcade game where you sit there and you drive and you can double tap the gas pedal to do like a wheelie and tricks? I want to do that in the Autopia car to make it go faster. I really feel like we're out of gas. Question for you guys. Have you ever been on Autopia and had your vehicle run out of gas? Like, we were in line. No, they're gas.
Aren't they like lawnmowers?
Pretty much, yeah, they're like lawnmowers. I mean, they fill them and it pretty much takes all day for them to run out of gas, but we were in line and we kept hearing the workers yell, and then they would open up the back end, they would open up the hood of like 3 or 4, then they would send a few, send a couple sets of cars, yell again, open up a few. So, do you guys know how the gas filling process works, or how long these gas engines can go? Foghorn, oh, car park. But have you guys ever been on it and your car break down because it ran out of gas? No more slobbering cars. Oh, how I miss the car park. And the old Mr. Tow cart. Like, it's all gone. Oh. Monorail. Sorry, you guys missed it. Oh, can you not ride on the rail? Oh, is the car pulling left? Does it need a new alignment? Yeah. Okay. Car needs an alignment. It's okay. I'll let that one slide. 6.5 miles an hour.
Speeding.
Oh no.
Don't hit the person.
Don't hit it. Well, I'm not doing anything. Oh. 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 Yeah. Don't hit the person. And what'd she do? Almost hits the person.
Well, she shouldn't be walking here. It's a freeway.
Yeah, that's true. It is a freeway. Oh. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna rock it. We're gonna rock you, okay? We're gonna get there. Oh, this is like the rockiest time we've ever had. It did not. This car is struggling. I mean, this is acting like a 64 Beetle. Oh, hey, they got a full garage. It's like a 64 Beetle that hasn't had a tune-up since 1964. Huh. All right, we're back. Luckily. Wally? Oh yeah, the license plate. Oil 032. So anyways, guys, we're back to reality. We're back in Tomorrowland. We are off to Space Mountain, and then to Buzz, and then to Matterhorn. But there might be some snacking before then. So we conquered Space Mountain. I wish I could film it, but it'd be just a blank, black, dark screen. Then we headed over into Buzz Lightyear, and Ashley once again retained her championship crown and whooped my backside on Buzz Lightyear Astro Blaster. Now we have another treat, and it's gonna eventually kill me. I know it, because it's the sour apple churro. So here we go. One, I'm absolutely covered in it right now. You know, for the bite size that I took, that's not that bad. It's definitely sour apple flavor. Not too bad. I still get full churro, you know, it's not too in your face sour. But I think if I took any bigger of a bite, I myself would get overwhelmed. Because we've established I don't have a big sweet tooth and I don't do sour. But it's not bad, and Ashley's now going to attempt to do it. I'm going to do it with caramel. Besides being all yellow, I like that with the caramel much better. You can still taste everything. You can still taste the churro, you can still taste the caramel, you can still taste the sour apple. But it's not overly sweet. I think the apple that's where the sour apple starts kicking or biting the sweetness part of the caramel and the churro. So overall, that's not bad. I didn't think I'd like it. And by Ashley's face, I can tell she likes this one. But anyways, now we're going to go conquer the Matterhorn once again.
The faster you go. Well, it's off to the tea party. Please say hello to the Mad Hatter.
Do I even need to say anything?
Bienvenidos al Party Park.
We haven't ridden the Matterhorn yet.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeños.
I'm speechless.
Ciao.
Because you guys all know how I feel about this ride. Yeah. Can we just ride the Matterhorn now? Okay. The wheels on the teacup goes round and round, and Ashley's not helping at all. Come on, Goober, stop. Stop. Taking pictures and spin. Yeah, you're just being a butt. So, look at it, guys. She drags me on here, and all she's doing is taking pictures. Well, she's probably taking video, but she sucks. There we go. No, it's hardly spinning. Okay, I can handle this ride if it don't spin.
It looks like our tea party.
Yay! I made it! Okay, now can we ride the Matterhorn?